Hi everyone, welcome back. How you are doing? I trust you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you how I make this delicious beans and spaghetti jollof. So guys, let's get started. Into a clean pot, I went in with some vegetable oil. I allowed the vegetable oil to hot. Then I went in with my chopped onions. So I'm going to stir this until it fragrance. Then I went in with some thyme and some curry powder. So I'm going to fry this for some seconds, okay? And guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. If you have not subscribed, please do where to subscribe. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all, okay? So after some seconds, I went in with my tomato paste. I'm going to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. So next I'm going to be adding some dry fish, also known as spana. So I'm going to be using this fish for this recipe. And you can use any protein of your choice, okay? You can use any protein, but for this recipe I'm going to be making use of spana. So after that I'm going to cover this to cook for some minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my tomatoes mix. In here I have tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, garlic, and bell pepper. So I blended everything together. So after adding it into the pot, I'm going to cover this to cook. So guys, at this point stew is almost ready. So I'm going to stir this together. Then I'm going to be adding some seasoning and some salt. Then I will stir it together and cover this to cook for a few minutes. So next I added some crayfish powder. I'm going to stir this together, then cover it to cook for another 5 minutes. So now it's time to go in with the beans. I cooked those beans with just onions. I didn't add anything. It's just onions and water. So I cooked it until it was very soft. And for the spaghetti, I boiled the spaghetti with salt and a little bit of vegetable oil so that it will not be sticky. So I'm going to add in the spaghetti and stir properly. I'm going to stir until everything is nicely combined. at this point, our spaghetti and beef jollof is almost ready. So I'll just go in with some boiled eggs. Like I said, you can use any protein of your choice, but for me, I'm just making use of dry fish and some eggs. So I'm going to stir, and voila, look at that. Look how yummy this food is looking. And guys, trust me, it was so delicious. And serve and enjoy. Look how delicious this beans and spaghetti jollof is looking. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not. So I'm going to be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.